What's up, everybody? Total bloodbath in the markets today. But bullish close there. As you can see, we've got a double bottom here, possibly. Not much time here, but we'll see how things go. But it was a big down day, so we're looking to buy some stuff. So check out this guy. We actually sold today. 143.82. That should just go to show you the strength of the system. It automatically will put you in to sectors that are out of favor, but that are strong. They're just beaten down. And it's a cool little thing that I use. And hopefully you can start to use it or develop a system of your own, right? You always want to do your own research and get your own data, but what's going on here? Oh, okay, there's our average down. Yeah, so we made 284, which is good for our account, right? It takes us to 653, a new all-time high for the month. We still have a week to go. Don't forget that. So look at the growth. This was not a full month, okay? But we start on the 24th, so that was 1 week. But boom, boom, it's growing, it's getting bigger. So that's what we're looking for. Now this VFC is one we need to look at. We have a position. The market is down, okay? So we need to see if it's under the 30 RSI, and it is not. It's at 34.9. So it was very bullish today too. So look for it to sell. Don't get caught in this trap where you want to, oh, well, I still have this one, so we're going to buy it. Nope, we're going to leave it alone. Plus, another benefit, that saves a day trade. This sells tomorrow. Hey, that does not take us away a day trade. So we can find two positions. That's good. Let's go find some. Let's get it. Send out the dogs. That's exciting because that's a huge part of our portfolio, and that's a lot of alpha. Computer's running a little slow, but some of y'all like to see this. That way you can stay in touch with how we're doing this thing. Gonna load in all the 50 million advertisements, but we'll just reload it. There we go. This goes to show you this is not rehearsed. This is just a few minutes a day after work that I do that makes me money. And I think it can be a good educational tool for folks that don't know where to start in the market. Because ultimately you got to find your own way, but it's not a bad spot to start. Okay, so we got some banks. Sirius XM. Boy, that thing got crushed. And a financial asset management. That looks bullish. And then we've been doing this one, right? That doesn't get us much money in. The highest price stock is this one, but I've never heard of it. That app. Kind of sheltered. Let's take a look. The debt is under 4, but it's probably okay, but it's not my thing. The thing about software companies and technology companies is when they use debt, it's not against real assets. When you have like Caterpillar or Campbell's Soup, when they have debt, it's against their real physical assets, like buildings and manufacturing facilities and stuff like that. Um, you can take a look at this one. This one's a little bit more pricey. Look at the PEs are kind of high, and I've never even heard of this. So that's an easy down. This is probably a winner though. I think I've traded this one before. Now see, look at this debt. Hardly any debt at all. Nice dividend. PEs are very, very attractive. Remember, we want banks under a 10 PE, but this is not like Bank of America or JP Morgan Chase. So we're getting a little bit of a better deal because there's a little more risk. They make money all the time. Institutions own basically the whole company, and they've been selling it off. I like the fact that there's a gap here too. Check that out. Hey. Now it came down, it went up, and this is where short sellers get in for the next ride down. But look, it held. Look at that bottom wick. I like this one. So we have FBP, and then we've been trading this one, but we'll just look at it real quick again. Reasonable debt, dividend. Look at that PE. Super low, which is very, very nice. They make money all the time. Yada, yada, yada. Perfect. Nice little scoop. It's going to be a nice little cup. Look just like a smile. That doesn't get a lot of our cash flow in, and we're only going to take two because we only have 2 day trades left. But that's what the market gives me. That's what I see in the market. You might see something totally different, but this is what I'm seeing. First triggers the second. Yeah, it's super exciting to sell stock on a down day. All right, you guys got our sell price? 968. Looks like that's the close. So we're gonna make 9 cents, right? 9.77, right? We want good till cancel with the extended hours. In, out. 968 for DBI. The next one is FBP 1264. All right, well, let's put it in. What, did it not go through? I want to see if something wrong. 1264. First triggers the second. You can see different market conditions yield different activity levels, right? Some markets we just hanging out, and whoa, 1264. All right, we got our sell price. Pause the video if you need to. Limit good till cancel with the extended hours. Okay. Trying to make 12 cents, right? Which is not a thrill. But the good thing is once if this goes really, really bad and we add and add and add and add and add, it's close to how much we put in weekly. So we'll be able to continue to average. Looks like these don't trade much after hours because nothing filled. But those are the orders for today. Remember, Friday is a regular day. I believe Monday is closed for Christmas. So just keep that in mind. Things always get a little wonky around the holidays, but there's also a thing called the Santa Claus rally that has really been jumbled up this year. It normally doesn't work like it's been working. So we'll just see what the market gives us. Nothing's a guarantee. But if you have a system and a set of rules and you have discipline enough to stick to it and you are consistent, good things happen to you. You don't get whipped around by the market and your emotions don't get in the way. You just stick to the process, stay the course, and reach the promised land. So I hope y'all are doing well. We're getting some weather here. I think most of the country is. So be safe. Drive safe if you have to get out. And we'll catch you tomorrow. Have an awesome evening.